see. Hello.
Hello.
All right, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me get the rest of the ingredients.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So today we are going to make a cake, but at the same time, we're going to make ice cream cone cakes.
Yeah. This cake.
Yeah, and then we're gonna make the rest of it in a normal pan. Yeah, it's gonna be so much fun.
Yeah, and we're going to die when he's done for work.
Yeah, we can show Dad when he's done for work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And your dad.
Let me see. So, let me find some scissors here. So we cut the cake mix.
I'm going to put this mix.
Yes.
Okay, now I can. There we go.
Hey, we like this song. You know whose birthday's coming up?
What is it?
Your birthday?
My birthday.
Yeah. How old are you gonna be?
4.
4. You wanna make this cake like a birthday cake, but ice cream birthday cake? Yeah? We put the cake mix?
It's probably going to be a sunny day.
You wanna make a sunny day cake?
Yeah, it's only this.
Oh, okay. Using that? Okay.
And make real cookies on it.
Yes, you can.
It's only cookies.
Yeah, be careful. And we put 3 eggs.
Yes.
I put the oil and the milk together already, but we used half a cup of oil and a cup of milk. It says water, but we use milk. And after that,
Now, and we're going to mix it.
yeah, and slowly and carefully, right?
That is good. He's for you.
You got a present for me?
It's a piggy.
A penny. Oh, thank you so much.
Is that on topic?
Yeah, probably.
Is he you?
Probably. I'm not sure.
It is you.
It was me. Thank you for giving it back to me.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Now,
So,
this is your fingers. We're going to do this.
my fingers are dirty, so I'm going to clean them off. And then I'm going to get a spoon so that we can put them in there.
Yeah.
Okay?
And what else? What's the other way for cake?
Let me see.
Okay, what is this spoon? I'll do it.
Okay.
Okay, this is how it works. Oh, this is
Get a
doing
little bit more.
a little bit more.
Like that. And I'll bring it here.
And
And then you put it in there.
put it right here.
What are you doing? I'll hold it.
Okay.
You gotta put... I'll hold it.
Okay.
I wonder what you want. Do you know the song Twinkle Twinkle Little Star?
Yeah.
Yeah, the original one. This is a...
I know it's spinning around now.
Yeah.
I know it's spinning around one.
A little bit more.
Okay. It's when it glows. This is glowing. Okay, this one's better. Now, what's this one?
Did you know that the same notes that you sing to Twinkle Twinkle Little Star is kind of like singing ABCs? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Good job, you're doing good.
Let's start again.
Again, okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now Ellie knows her ABCs. Next time won't she sing with me? Yay!
Now twinkle little star.
Yeah, it sounds like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Yeah, you see how they're both the same musical pattern, same notes.
A little bit more.
Want me to hold it?
I'll hold it with my own
okay.
fingers. Okay, hold this for. There we go. I got it. Put it inside. Oh! It doesn't want to come out.
It'll come out. It's okay.
Coming out.
There you go.
This one's all set.
That one's all set, yes.
Put it in the oven.
And we need one more.
One more spoon. This one. I'm doing it by myself.
There. Oh, there.
I'm doing it by myself.
Okay.
Go. Hold it for. There you go. Now go inside. And go inside. Now this one will sit too. Now put it there. Oh, now this. Needs to be a little bit more.
Yeah, it needs a little bit more, just a little bit.
Okay, here we go. I got it.
Okay.
Hold this one.
Okay, there. That's good.
Oh,
Ah! It's okay.
Okay.
There.
This one's closer.
And this one needs a little bit more. Okay?
Okay.
And there you go. That should be enough.
We need to add more there.
Yeah, but we don't have any more ice cream cones. That's why I brought this. The big pan, so that way we can go ahead and make those, make the rest of the batter in there.
Yeah.
Okay?
They're so cute.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Oh. Let me see. It's right here. You don't lick it, silly butt.
I just tried to eat it.
You trying to eat it? Not yet.
Okay. These go with frosting too.
Yeah, there you go. Frosting.
It's yellow.
It's yellow. Let me see. Obviously, we need to put a little more on those, but it's okay. Let me put.
I can stay your spoon.
Yeah, I think I might need a little spoon. I can make this work.
It works.
It works. Okay.
Mommy.
Now to put some sprinkles.
Okay, with these.
Yeah.
Now open.
You want to sit down?
I can sit down right here.
You want to sit right there?
Okay, yeah, this has space for me and me.
Yes.
And then I can fit.
There you go. You can sit.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Now for this. Put it in there. Okay, put it. That's enough for them. Is that enough for all the cookies? Is that enough for the cookies?
Yeah, it should be enough.
Okay.
We do a little bit, okay? And then we save some for the cake.
Good idea. These are rainbows. Rainbow
There's
sprinkles.
yellow, green, orange, blue.
Yes. No pink.
There you go. Or, look, you can get this and then dip. Ta-da! You see? You want to use your hand? Oh, okay. Can I dip some of them? Okay. I'll use these. Dip those. Hey guys, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. If you're out baking and cooking and stuff like that, kids, make sure to do it with your parents. It can be dangerous. But I hope you guys enjoy it. This is mostly just for fun, for educational stuff. I find music to be a very important part of my life, and passing it down, it teaches you more than just music. It teaches you history, it teaches you culture, and so that's why I like to do it. And if you guys have any ideas and stuff like that, or what you would like for us to do and try out, let us know. Comment down below. But yeah, I mean, who would have thought that you can make cakes out of ice cream cones and stuff like that? So, and listening to music, this is just a random thing. I don't have anything set up. For the most part, I will try to have the name of the song, the writer, the composer, and the history behind it, what's going on at that time. So if you're a parent that wants to show this to your children so they can learn about that, feel free to subscribe, and we'll be able to teach you guys. And have any ideas also, let us know. And I hope you have a great one. Enjoy and try these. They're actually pretty good. I took a little bite one earlier. It's really good. So, do you like it? You say thank you, everybody.
Thank you, everybody.
You have a great one. Enjoy.
Enjoy.